Create a new document. Mine is 1080 by 1080 pixels. Select the rectangle tool. And create a rectangle that's 300 by 1000 pixels. Make the corners round. Select the Move tool. And place the shape in the center of your canvas. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the shape. Press Ctrl+T, and rotate the shape 90 degrees. Select both the shape layers and press Ctrl+J to duplicate them. Press Ctrl+T, and rotate the shapes 45 degrees. Select all the shape layers. And merge them. Make the fill transparent. Pick a stroke color. I use a stroke width of 5. Rasterize the shape layer. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate this layer. Press Ctrl+T. Connect the width and the height. Lower the width to 94%. The height should be 94% too now. Rotate 2 degrees. Press Ctrl+Alt+Shift+T until the shape is filled. And that's how you create this effect.